back to MamaM Kids Channel. Sorry I was sick for a while. Now, today we're going to learn how to write the uppercase and the lowercase alphabet. So let's start it. Please feel free to pause the video and go grab the papers and pen or a pencil. We're going to start with A, Adam. We're going to follow the arrow 1, 2, and 3 for the uppercase. And then 1 and 2 for the lowercase. And then we're going to practice again below that. Next is B, Bible. Let's start with the uppercase first and then followed by the lowercase. And then practice again below that. Next letter is C. C, cross. D for David. E for Eve. F, fish. Please make sure you stop or pause the video anytime you want. Don't pressure yourself. And next is G, Goliath. H, heart. I, Isaac. J, Jesus. K, kite. L, lion. M, Moses. N, Noah. You can hear that I didn't talk much on this video because I want you to focus on your writing. So make sure you concentrate on your writing and don't worry about anything else. Enjoy your time. O, octopus. P, penguin. Q, queen. R, rainbow. S, sun. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, vine. W, wise man. X, X-ray. Y, yolk. Z, Zacchaeus. Last thing I want to do in this episode, I want to practice my MamaM writing. M A M A M. MamaM Kids Channel. See you next episode. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Bye. See you in the next episode.